Next, we're going to say the two parts that join together to make the whole of 5. When we do maths, it's really important that what we say and what we touch match, because we want the information about the size of the block, the written number, and the word we say, those 3 pieces of information, to all go to our brain to join up at the same time. I'm going to model the first one for you. 0 and 5 is 5. 1 and 4 is 5. 2 and 3 is 5. 3 and 2 is 5. 4 and 1 is 5. 5 and 0 is 5. There were 2 bonds there that were a little tricky, and that was 0 and 5 and 5 and 0. We don't have a block with a 0 written on it because 0 means no blocks. You can touch anywhere outside the wall when you say 0. The reason I touched here and here is because if I look at the counting order, it would go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and on the other side, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. You can either pause the video and say the 2-part bonds, remembering to touch them at the same time by yourself, or you can join together with me now. Ready? Go. 0 and 5 is 5. 1 and 4 is 5, 2 and 3 is 5, 3 and 2 is 5, 4 and 1 is 5, 5 and 0 is 5. I will see you again in section 2 for the next lesson.